When adding indentations to paragraphs, a lot of the time people use tabs or spaces. This is really bad for formatting as it can cause lots of inconsistencies within the document. You want to make sure that you are using paragraph styles so that the document is consistent throughout. If you have your formatting marks turned on, you're able to see if these have been inserted in the text. To add an indentation to a paragraph, right-click and then click on Paragraph. Or you can navigate to the Home tab and then press Paragraph, the small arrow on the right-hand side. This will open the paragraph menu where you have different options on the indentation section. If you want to add an indentation on the first line, if you go to Special, click on the drop-down menu and press First Line. Then you can increase or decrease the amount, and it will also provide a preview for you so you can see how this will look in the text. Once you're ready, press OK. Now we can see here that our paragraph has been updated. You can also update your paragraph style by making sure you have the paragraph selected and then navigate up to your Styles menu, right-clicking on your paragraph style and pressing Update, and it will update to match that first line indent.